Hi, in this session we are going to see demo on set variable activity and filter activity. So by using set variable activity we will add two numbers, and by using filter activity we will filter an array into an even array. That means we will pass mixed array having both odd number and even number, and we will filter it by using filter activity, and we will transform it to even array. So let's first create a pipeline which will add two numbers. So let's give this pipeline name add two numbers. Now in this general category you will find the set variable activity. So this will help in setting a value of existing variable. So now we will create three variables. First one will be num1, second num2, and third will be sum. So we will keep the type as string. Now we will give a default value to num1 23 and this 7. We will use this sum variable in this set variable activity. So click on this, then come to the variables. Now select the sum, give it a value. So we have to add the two number. So we will go to the add dynamic content. Here we will search for the function add, which will be in math function. Here it is. Okay, inside that we will pass our variable. So num1, num2. It says that int does not match the filled value. It's because add function will take integer input. So we will typecast here. And here also. Now the error says int does not match the filled value. It is for this sum variable. Okay, as we have taken sum as a string, so it must have a value in a string. So we will typecast the whole into a string. Now click on OK. Now we will run this pipeline. We must get the output as 30, as 23 plus 7. So let's see. Come here and say, okay, so you get the output as sum equals to 30. So this was a demo on set variable activity. Now let's create another pipeline for filter activity. So let's give it a filter. You will get the filter activity in iteration and conditional category. Here it is. So for this demo, I will use an input array. So let's create a parameters. Let's give it a name mix array of type array, and let's give it a default value. All right. So now we will come to this filter activity. In the settings, you will get this items. So here you have to select the parameter. So we will go to the add dynamic content because we have to select the items which we want to filter. So we will select the mix array. Now the condition, our condition is we want only even number. So we will come here. So we will take the item from the array. We will take the modulus of it by dividing it to 2, and we will find which are equal to 0, like that. So first we will take the function, logical function, this equals. Now inside that we will take the mod function to get the modulus of each item. So it will be in math function. Yes. Now we will pass the items here. So it says to get the items from the parameter, the array, we have to use item function. Right? Okay. And we have to divide it by 2. And we have to check the modulus equals to 2. So what it will do basically is you will get the modulus of each item from the array. Why we use item? Because let's say here is the item, you have passed this array in item. So to get this item one by one, you have to use this item and then this parenthesis. So first what it will do, it will take current item, and by this mod function it will find the modulus by when it will get divided by 2. And what this equals will do, it will check whether this one is equals to this or not. So if the modulus of the item being divided by 2 is equals to 0, then it will be passed by the filter. Okay, so now we will run it. Now in pipeline run we will pass this array. Okay, so let's see the output. Yeah, so now you can find that the initial item count was 7, filtered item count is 4. Like there were 4 even numbers in that, so it gets filtered. Right? So that is all for this session. Thank you.